Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to mix toothpaste with lemon, and I'll tell you what problem this combination will help solve. This tip is very simple, so anyone can use it. Take one lemon, cut it in half. If there are seeds inside the lemon, remove them with a knife. Now you need to squeeze all the juice out of the lemon. If you have a juicer, use it. A few seconds and the juice will be ready. If you don't have a juicer, just squeeze the lemon with your hands first. Next we will need a spoon. Press the inside of the lemon with the side of the spoon and turn it a little. This is the amount of lemon juice I got. It contains seeds and lemon pulp, so you need to strain it. Next you need to add toothpaste to the lemon juice. You can use the toothpaste you have at home, it's even better if you don't use it. I squeeze out about 1 tablespoon. I also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap here. If yours is not very thick, then add 2 tablespoons. And now you need to mix it all well. After you have mixed it well and there are no pieces of toothpaste left in the mixture, pour half a liter of warm water into it. All that's left is to pour the solution into a spray bottle so that it's easy to use. If the pieces of toothpaste in your mixture are not completely dissolved, then it is better not to use a spray bottle because it will constantly clog, but take a dispenser, which is usually used to screw on bottles of dish soap. We have made a cleaning product that is very easy to use. It works great on dried-on stains on the stove. Spray, leave for 5 minutes and wipe the stove with a sponge. You can also use this product to wipe the burners and grates of the stove. For example, you cooked something greasy or something spilled on the stove, sprayed the grates, left for a while, rubbed with a sponge and washed under running water. 10 minutes and the stove is clean again. You can also safely clean kitchen tiles and kitchen cabinets with this product. Grease, stickiness and greasy splashes are cleaned very well. The huge advantage of this product is that it is not aggressive, not poisonous, you will not choke from it. On the contrary, such a mixture cleans perfectly, smells nice and does not contain abrasive particles, so you can clean absolutely any surface and not be afraid that you will spoil or scratch it. The kitchen sink is constantly in contact with dishes, and I think many people here want to reduce the amount of chemicals used to a minimum. So this product is a great alternative to other cleaning products. It cleans all the dirt, grease, lime scale, if you have hard water. Clean the sink with a sponge, rinse with water, and it looks perfect again. No stains, dirt or unpleasant odors. Try making this cleaning product and share your impressions in the comments. If you liked the advice, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.